a new vanity that will be in the bathroom. Gotta be put together. Let's see, I'll show y'all a little picture of it on the side.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space.
So this is what Roger was working on yesterday. He got to come back in here and just finish it up. It might look worse than it actually is, but it had water leaking. You're not going out there with them? It had water leaking, so that's why this is looking the way it's looking. So all of this right here was damaged because, as you can see, it's not real wood. So this right here is what they have down here. It's not real wood at all. So the carpet will be coming up eventually, soon, hopefully. So yeah, he said I need a new molding script for that. So it's not that bad. It looks that bad, but it's not that bad. I think he's gonna put another piece of plywood up under here. I'm not sure. No, he don't need no plywood. It's just this cheap stuff that gotta come up. So that piece right here that's broken, he's gonna put a piece of plywood right there, and then from what I can understand, he's gonna put one, I think right over here or something. I don't know. I'm not sure, y'all. I'm just observing. They're trying to get our water on so I can get finished cleaning and stuff. My little brother plugged up my refrigerator. I got to get it all cleaned up. It's just a little temporary refrigerator until I can get something better. All right, so this is the bathroom. They finished this yesterday also. I'm going to get another vent to go right here. But it looks so much better. The floor is so much better and sturdy. So now you can walk up in here. and not have no problems. So they was gonna put the rug down, but the silicone had to dry. All the silicone in the cracks and stuff like that. So that's why it couldn't be down yesterday. But they gonna put it down, I think today. I think they putting down the rug today, this evening, after they finish the piping and stuff. And then we're gonna go from there, gonna put the cabinet back in. And I'm gonna pick up a faucet, probably from Lowe's or something like that. And we're gonna be ready. Gonna put the toilet back in here too. Instead of getting all new toilets, because nothing's really wrong with the toilets, I'm getting new toilet seats. And I'm gonna just clean the toilets really well. Y'all know I'm gonna do that anyway. Probably won't show that part because I'm already disgusted having to clean it myself. But anyways, I just want to give y'all that little update. And yeah, they working on it. I hope they have this pipe and stuff done soon. So if everything goes well today, depending on how it goes today, because Roger gotta go back to work, we're probably trying to move in some of our stuff this week. I plan to paint the living room, so I'm gonna probably stop after work tomorrow and get the paint, start painting, because it's not gonna take me long to do this little area. Yeah, so I'm gonna update y'all further once I can get once I know. That's a lot.
No.
You the big boy.
That's too much. No.
You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own. I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a cut. I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day.
So why?
Ooh, your booty in the camera.
How I look?
The booty. Like it stink. You ass.
I'm stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in a position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no.